What up, peoples? So I am at my bro's house. We working on his old '49 Chevrolet truck. So I thought I would share a little video of it for all you. It's pretty awesome. I think I talked about it in a couple of previous videos. But anyway, here it is. Here it is. 5.3 is a '49 Chevrolet with a 5.3 twin turboed. Say hey to all the beautiful people, Aaron. It's my bro, my little bro. See ya. Dang, what's wrong with this thing? There we go. So we've been wiring up the two-step and the trans brake and all that tonight. But this is it.
Scratch and sniff, that's Eddie Vedder doing his best.
Alright, so what is it? What all you got done? Cow tracks. It's inline 6, 3 on a tree. Oh, you got the cow tracks, and then what all you got done to the motor?
Bone stock.
Yeah, it looks bone stock. Okay, well, I guess it's a secret. Anyways, guys, we'll have it at the track. This spring and summer, I'll be shooting some videos of it. But that's pretty much it. Anyways, alright, that's just a short video. I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of the '49. There'll be more videos to come. But anyway, appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button and like button and hit the little bell down there to get my notifications on the next video that I post. It's going to be good. Peace.